We are one of the most important hospitals in the hospital network of Sri Lanka. That's a Melsta Group of hospitals. And I'm with the Executive Director, Dr. 𝐿𝐸𝐸𝐸. Yeah. What are your plans for the future, 𝐿𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸?
Yes, we are seriously thinking about going beyond Sri Lanka, and we are looking at foreign markets, especially the Bangladesh market.
Yeah.
And the hospital is going for a Joint Commission International accreditation, which is the highest accreditation.
That's the pinnacle of accreditation.
Exactly. And we would be the first hospital to have this accreditation under the 8th edition in the country.
All right.
So we are setting ourselves to launch for an international, especially the medical tourism. And we are also coming up with the cath lab, especially to treat the cardiac patients. And as a second phase, to have the oncology and radiation facility.
Right.
We have plans to expand the hospital and the hospital network in 5 years down the line.
Excellent. Because I think you are correctly placed, because you are one of the first people who got JCI accreditation when you are in Lanka hospitals.
Yes, we were the first to get it in 2014.
You have that experience to carry on the changes in this hospital as well.
Yes.
Because I think, when it comes to Ragama, it's a very crowded area.
Yes, Sri Lanka is one of the largest populated district, the Gampar district, we are there. And we feel it's no more outside Colombo, because 45 minutes to half an hour drive we can reach. So any facility can be offered in Ragama at a very, very competitive rates.
Right.
Colombo is becoming very expensive.
Absolutely.
So we should be able to offer very good service at a very, very competitive price.
We are also very happy to partner with Melsta Hospitals at the Medicare exhibition, because I think this is one of the top hospitals in the country, and I think some of the Colombo citizens also can get the services from here.
Yes, we are offering all the services, including kidney transplant surgeries and everything. And people from Colombo, North Colombo especially, they come here.
Yeah.
So we are happy to provide service at a very affordable cost. That's a key factor.
Yeah, that's the most important thing. Because I think, medical care is becoming exorbitantly expensive. And I think, there must be new challenges for the existing market.
Yes.
Then only the market will change.
Exactly, and especially the main challenge is migration of skilled people.
Yes.
We are actually having plan for that, and we have tied up with institutions to develop the skilled people for this hospital and also for the future.
Right.
So definitely we have taken it up very positively, the changes what is going on at the moment. So we would definitely be one of the best healthcare provider in the country and also in the region. That's our whole aim.
Yeah, congratulations for your efforts.
Thank you.
And I hope that you will do a very positive change in healthcare in Sri Lanka.
Yes, thank you.